पशुपते हरि भोलानाथ उमापते शंभो शंकर पशुपते हरि भोलानाथ उमापते शंभो शंकर पशुपते हरि भोलानाथ उमापते शंभो शंकर पशुपते कैलासवासा श्रीरंगनेश्वर नीलकंठा सदाशिवा कैलासवासा श्रीरंगनेश्वर नीलकंठा सदाशिवा कैलासवासा श्रीरंगनेश्वर नीलकंठा सदाशिवा कैलासवासा श्रीरंगनेश्वर पार्वती रमना सदा शिवा बोलो महेश्वर पार्वती रमना सदा शिवा बोलो महेश्वर पार्वती रमना सदा शिवा बोलो महेश्वर पार्वती रमना सदा शिवा शंभो शंकर पशुपते हरि भोलानाथ शंभो शंकर पशुपते हरि भोलानाथ उमापते शंभो शंकर पशुपते हरि भोलानाथ उमापते शंभो शंकर पशुपते कैलासवासा श्रीरंगनेशा नीलकंठा सदाशिवा कैलासवासा श्रीरंगनेशा नीलकंठा सदाशिवा कैलासवासा श्रीरंगनेशा नीलकंठा सदाशिवा कैलासवासा श्रीरंगनेशा बम बम हर हर भोल महेश्वर पार्वती रमना सदा शिवा बम बम हर भोल महेश्वर पार्वती रमना सदा शिवा बम बम हर हर भोल महेश्वर रमना सदा शिवा बम बम हर हर भोल महेश्वर पार्वती रमना सदा शिवा हर भोलानाथ उमापति शंभो शंकर पशुपते
Sound check 1, 2, sound check 1. Sound 1, 2, 1. Sound check checking for sound 1, 2, 3. Sound check 1, 2. Sound 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. Sound check checking for sound 1, 2, 3, 4. Sound check 1, 2, 3. Sound check checking for sound. Sound 1, 2, checking for sound 1, 2. Sound check 1, 2, 3. Checking for sound. Sound check 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sound 1, 2, checking for sound. One, two. 1, 2. Sound check 1, 2. Sound check, checking the sound 1, 2. Sound 1, 2, checking the sound 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, sound check 1, 2. Sound 1, 2, checking the sound 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sound check 1, 2.
Gauri Gauri Gauri
Thank you.
Navina
बोले श्री गजानन स्वामी की, मातृ महादेव की, पवन पुत्र हनुमान की। Let's go close our eyes, bow our heads as we welcome each and every one of you. Hari Om. To our third night. Pandit Vinesh, all the Pandits who are here also, Mataji, the form of Nani, all the members of the group, Riyaji, beautiful presence, Sureshri, and the nephew, and all, I don't know all the names, but forgive me tonight. And each and every one of you who have been with us in the group tonight. How is the name? Ricky, and Asha, and Ashrita. Very nice name. And Dulahin of Pandit Vinesh, the mother of Pandit Vinesh also too, and the members of the temple hereby who have been assisting us. And each and every one of you, if I have left out anyone, please forgive me. Let us all close our eyes and pray. It has been a wonderful 2 nights and now the third night, the final night. Let us ask Ganapati Baba to take us through, and to Dennis, as well as his Dharam Patni also to take us through our proceedings tonight and also tomorrow. Everybody, Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprava Nirvinam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakarishu Sarvara Hari Om. Jayanti Mangalakali Bhadrakali Kapalini Durga Kshama Subhadre Swaha Swabha Namostute Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Pulalavrinda Yatapatra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajvalito Jnanamaya Pradeepaha Hari Om. Everybody, Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kansa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagatagurum Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitaya Pataye Namaha Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstata Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha Hari Om. Saraswati Mahamage Vidye Kamalalochane Vidyam Rupena Vishalakshi Vidyam Dehi Namo Stute young individuals who are with us today, the young drummer and the other young drummer and the young singer there who sang. What she sang, give her the mic. She'll sing with me. Karpura Gauram Karunavataram Sansara Saram Bhujayenam Just 8 years. Give her a round of applause. Hari Om Vigneshwaraya Varudaya Surapriyaya Lamboradaya Sakalaya Jagatvataya Navaranaya Satyajya Vibhushataya Gauriksutaya Gananatha Namo Namaste. Moria, 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 Re, Moria, 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 Re. Moria, 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 Srirupam yoginah sarave sthirikritya manashkalam yanya shosho bhavedvatum samartashkaturaranam tatvartum kah samartah syat yata shakti banamacha kurvanti stavanam yasya sarvada jai Shivadaya. Hari Om. Ganapati Bappa Mangal Murti Ganesh Purana Stanastanaya Shru Dhvam Yoginah. कहा आप सभी योगी जन के अपने चंचल मन के स्थिर करे सुने. All the yogis who have a chanchal mind. A chanchal mind means a mind that is going from here to here. One must pray to Bhagwan Sri Ganesh. So the yogis, they know that. And this is why they say, Yam yogino yoga balena sadhyam कुर्वन्ति सङ्कहस्तवनेन नौते अतः प्रणामेन सुशुद्धिरस्तु तमेकदन्तं शरणं व्रजामः. The strength of the yogis is Bhagavan. The strength of that of an individual, not only the yogis, you all are considered to be like yogis. Yogi Jan ke Shakti is at the Mooladhara. The Mooladhara is the root chakra. And there lies that of the root chakra, and there lies Bhagavan Sri Ganesh. And the syllable to wake up that chakra is Lam, and the deity presiding there is Bhagavan Sri Ganesh. We all know that, I think. In yoga, that is the first thing they teach you to pray to Bhagavan Sri Ganesh first. You must initiate that process, and this is what Dr. in the Ganesh Puran they are saying. Ganesh ji, जिसके महिमा का वर्णन करने के शेष नाग तथा चार मुखों वाले ब्रह्मा भी समर्थ नहीं. And so it is without that of Sri Ganesh, not even that of the rishis and the munis, not even Sheshnag could really expound upon the scriptures, not even that of the great kavis or the kavitas or the poets. Kaun samartha ho sakta hai? Who has the power and the ability to do that? Moria, 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 re, Moria, 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 re, Moria, 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 re, Moria, 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 re, Moria, 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 re. Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangalmurti Moria, Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangalmurti Moria, 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 re, Moria, 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 re, Moria, 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 re, Moria, 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 re. Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangalmurti Moria, Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangalmurti Moria. Durvan Mahat Adar Simhartam Deva Devasya Ganeshasya Mahatmana Moria, 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 re, Moria, 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 re, Moria, 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 re, Papa Moria, 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 re. Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangalmurti Moria, Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangalmurti Moria, Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangalmurti Moria. जिस गणेश जी की स्तुति सर्वदा ब्रह्मा तथा शिव आदि देवता करते हैं. In order to praise that of Bhagavan Sri Ganesh, they have to get the blessings of Bhagavan, Mahima ke Spasht, the greatness of Bhagavan, Purnata Varanam Kaun Sakta. And who really can describe Bhagavan Sri Ganesh? Who really can show or to describe the Mahima or the greatness of Bhagavan? Not even Brahma and others. And so it is that those individuals, Tatapi, Punyatmao, they are described as Punyatmao. Punyatmao means, Punya means virtue. And so you all today have some sort of virtue by coming here today and absorbing in that of the puja as well as the Murti puja. And this is your virtue. That's called Punya. Opposite of Punya is what? Anybody can tell me? Huh? Oh, there are some very bright people here. Punya or Pa. This is why I like Randy. They have some very, very bright people up here. And so it is Baba, you're teaching them very well. Punya Outpa. So Bhagavan Sri Krishna says in the Gita, there's up, there's down. There's life, there's what? Death. There's hot, there's cold. There's always opposites. And so he's saying that Punyatmano, those individuals who have punya, हम जो कहे के आप सुनेगा अंकुर के अर्पित, they are the individuals who offer durva. Last year I gave you a beautiful katha about durva. You know what is it durva? Durva grass. What is it durva grass? Anybody know? Dub grass. What is dub grass? What Baba offered today is dub grass. It's called durva grass. Durva and or dub grass as we say. Durva ke अंकुर के महिमा मुनियों और देवों के ज्ञात नहीं. Not even the rishis and the munis that they know of this greatness of this durva grass or this offering that is offered to Bhagavan Sri Ganesh. As I told you from time to time, one blade of this durva grass or dub grass as we call it is like a whole yajna itself. So if you have nothing to offer for that of Bhagavan Sri Ganesh, no laddu, no flowers, no water, offer one blade of dub grass. If you can't offer one blade, well then think about the dub grass, and then you will get a blade of dub grass next time, and you will get to offer it. But we also offer 108 durva grass or dub grass to that of Bhagavan Sri Ganesh. And so it is, Ganesh ji ke durva ankur arpit kare punya pal prapt hote hai. When you offer that dub grass to Sri Ganesh, it brings all punya. Punya means virtue. It brings all pal. Pal means fruit in our life. It removes all our obstacles. Yah vaha yajna. Yajna means the sacrifice that you make. There are 5 types of sacrifice. And this what you're doing here, devotees, is called Deva Yajna. Getting up early in the morning time, that is also Deva Yajna also too. Yajna Dan. Dan means charity. So when you do the Gita path, and you give a Gita, that is called a Gita Dan. When you offer gold to that of an individual, a deserving individual, that's called Sona Dan. And when you do Kanya Dan, you offer that of a pious girl child to that of a household to a pious in Dulaha, and that is called Kanya Dan also too. So there are many type of Dan. And do you know that the durva grass is also like a Dan itself? It is a great offering that removes that of our impediments, of our pathway. Brattata home se nahi prapt hai. And so it is not complete without that of offering that of the dub grass or the durva grass. इस विषय के एक प्राचीन इतिहास के जाता इंद्र तथा महामुनि नारद के संवाद चर्चा. So it is that Narad ji was enlightening that of Indra on one occasion. एक बार नारद मुनि उत्सुक होकर इंद्र के देखने वह इंद्र के द्वारा समाहित हो के ग्रहण वह जब के आदर के. And he was telling him, listen, I'm telling you about many things. Let me tell you about this durva grass or this dub grass. भाव से durva grass durva के महात्म्य पूछा. इंद्र बोला, हे महामुनि देव परात्मा गणेश के durva अंकुर के विषय प्रिय है. How it is that Bhagavan Sri Ganesh likes this offering? मुनि नारद बोले, durva का उत्तम महात्म्य कैसा मुझे ज्ञात. I shall tell you about a beautiful story about this durva grass. So when you're doing Ganesh Puja, you can miss anything. You can even miss the laddus also too. But you see the dub grass or the durva grass. So Bhai is always prepared for puja, and you must have the dub grass, right? Without and others And so sometimes you see the dove grass, and it is it's very healthy. So it is always good to plant a little bit at your home. It's always good to have a little bit, and it is always good if you have any sort of difficulties, you take a little bit and you offer it to Bhagwan in the form of Lord Ganesh. And so I told you last year also to another katha related to the dove grass, is that the first grass that the dog does look for is what? He is look for what? The dove grass. Watch him again. Not the German Shepherd, not the pit bull. They just had to carry them by the doctor. But the one what we call the patong, they is the one that have all the knowledge. They just they just go for the dove grass. And many times people say, well, look what they're looking for. I say, is it dove grass they're looking for? They're looking for medicine. Medicine meaning that you don't have to carry them for the vet. They take clean out right there, and that's it, and they live very long. And so these creatures, they are born near Ati Mahal Ashram. And so there was a great rishi living in the south side of India at a certain time. Many people used to visit him, and let us hear what happened. Moria, 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 re, Moria, 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 re. And so there where the Muri was living, there was a beautiful lake, जिनके कमल के फूल विकसित हुए और रहते थे. And so beautiful flowers. Do you have beautiful flowers around your homes? Yes or no? What kind of flowers? The hibiscus and chemeri. And when somebody say something? Whatever flowers it is, that is welcome indeed. And you see when the dove grass is in abundance, the dove grass cannot grow all about. You know that too? It cannot grow all about, but when it grows, it means that you will have prosperity. Om kandat kandat prohanti purukaha purushashpari Devano Durave Pratanu Sahasrena Satena Shra. You know what that mantra means, what Baba does be saying? He does be saying that mantra all the time. It means something very, very significant. It means wherever that worship may Duravan ke uttam Mahatmya batao, तुम सुनो है प्राचीन काल में धर्मराज नगर के उत्सुक आयोजन के. And so it is, he sat down and he was saying and explaining about to the rishis and the munis about Yamraj. Who is Yamraj again? Yamraj who is who? The god of death. And so in Yamraj he has how much cities? How much cities Yamraj have? They have 16 cities. Usually when someone dies, the Babas will read the Quran. But in his city, do you know that all these herbs grow? In the city of Yamraj, there is something called Bringaraj. What is Bringaraj? Bringaraj is what? Bringaraj, you know, Baba will tell you, Bringaraj is Kongolala. What is the Kongolala? The Kongolala is when we do Shrad, but by Rudala's here. What is the Kongolala by? It's a kind of grass that you see in Shrad. And he takes the form of a Devata in the courtyard of Yamraj, but all that of these herbs also too. So there is no herb in this world that cannot cure. There is no sound in this world also too that is not a mantra. This is said in our Vedas also too. And so he is also expounding how it is that the Durva grass was used in certain place. Tat yam ke sundar keha, britam ke khub bareha, stano ke deka ke kam bhavana, pirat visrant ke nirlaja gaya aur tata ke mukh churne ke इच्छा तब यमराज के लज्जा अधो मुख होकर मुख नीचे है सभा चला. And so he was overwhelmed at a certain time, also just like the Muni last night. And so it is, he left Bhumi Gir ke Vidya, just like the Rishi, his virality or his manliness fell upon the ground. Ek vikrit mukh bala jwala mala ke yukt purush utpan, and another being came up from the earth also too, from that of the virility of Yamraj. Yes, Yamraj, he also have sons also too, apne daro ke dekate, for crude shabda ke tino lok bhayabit. And so when this being came into this world, he looked just like Yamraj. You know, the son is always look like the father, they say, yes or no? Most of yes, most of the times. And so it is that he has a very heinous look. Vah sampurna prithvi ke dard kar raha tha. And the whole of this universe now, or this world, was burning in sensation wherever he went. Tino lok ke nivasi ke man ke atyant kampit. And when they saw this being now, Yamraj's son, they started to shiver. You ever see anybody coming when he was young and an uncle? I think sometimes it had these uncles and you were real fearful of them. One of them will always have a belt or something, and so he was like that. He brought fear to others. And so us sabha ke bait sabhi sabhasad Vishnu ke paas apne brit ke anusar nana stotra stuti. And so because of that now, he said everybody is fearful of me now, let me go and pray to Lord Vishnu. It's a real bad thing sometimes when people are afraid, yeah? And so especially when children afraid you also too. So this being said, I didn't do anybody nothing and they afraid me. So it is, he went to pray to that of Bhagwan in form of Lord Vishnu. Bhagwan Vishnu ke sab ke sa anamay ke kushali ke Bhagwan Ganesh ke paas. And so it is that Bhagwan Vishnu went to Sri Ganesh. Us bhayanak ke ज्वालामाली पुरुष के पद के गणेश और द्वारा संभर जाकर के स्तुति है. And so after a while now that this individual now he had passed and he took up a beautiful form after like a Devata. When he took up that beautiful form like that Devata, he came back, and when he came back now, he came back in a beautiful form. देवों के मुनियों के कहा विघ्न स्वरूप विघ्न हरता आपको नमस्कार. In that other birth now, he started to pray to Bhagwan Sri Ganesh. Let us hear what he told Bhagwan Sri Ganesh. नमो देवाय महते नमस्ते जगदात्रये. ओम मोरिया 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 रे मोरिया 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 रे मोरिया 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 रे मोरिया 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 रे. गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया मंगलमूर्ति मोरिया. गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया मंगलमूर्ति मोरिया. नमस्ते पूर्णतमसे सर्वसंसारकारिणे. नमस्ते भक्तवरद सर्वदासे नमो नमः. मोरिया 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 रे मोरिया 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 रे मोरिया 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 रे मोरिया 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 रे. गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया मंगलमूर्ति मोरिया. गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया मंगलमूर्ति मोरिया. गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया मंगलमूर्ति मोरिया. And he saying to Bhagwan Sri Ganesh, हाय विघ्न हरता अभ्यः हम सभी के मृत्यु निकट आ गए हैं. In my previous birth, anyone who came to me, they were struck with that of pain that they even died also to Shatru Bhay Dur Karne Wale. I had a very dreadful form. Please take that away. And so that individual who can remember his past is called Jatasmar. Jatasmar means that individual who can remember his past. Anyone here who can remember your past? That person who can remember their past, that individual is called Jatasmar. Shatru Bhay Dur Karne Wale Sab के समक्ष शिशु के रूप प्रकट वह कमल समानम. So he had a very beautiful form. He had gotten a beautiful birth. He had gotten Surya Koti Prabha like thousands of suns. Tulya ki unka sharir koti kandarpah saundharya parajata kare. And beautiful ornaments among that or around his body. And so he started now to pray to Ganesh Baba. He prayed to Ganesh Baba just like the individual last night. And when he prayed to Ganesh Baba now, Ganesh Baba appeared in front of him. As I told you last night, the Lord appears in front of you. What it is that you will say and what it is that you will offer to him. And so with tears in his eyes now, वह विशाल वक्षस्थल वाले थे. उन दोनों भुजाओं हाथ जनों स्पर्श करने वाले हैं. And so he is describing that of the beautiful form of Bhagwan. And so, not knowing what to offer, he started to offer the beautiful durva or the beautiful dubgras to Raka of Bhagwan. Bhagwan became very, very happy with him. And becoming very, very happy now, he started now to give him everything that he wanted. In the previous life, what he didn't have, he was able now to get everything. Param Brahma Paramatma Balak ka roop dharan prakat hua. And so seeing that beautiful child now in that beautiful form, everyone was mesmerized to see that form, that auspicious form. Something auspicious. As I said, one blade is like a yeah. And so when Sri Ganesh bestowed that upon him now, he bestowed that of his form. Balak bola aap gyan sampan aap logo ke kah satya hai. And so please give me that gyan, give me knowledge, and so help that of all my pain to go from the past. And so Bhagwan Sri Ganesh started to bless him. Moria, 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 re, Moria, 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 re, Moria, 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 re, Moria, 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 re, Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangalamurti Moria, Ganpati Bappa Moria. Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangalamurti Moria, Nisheshaya Balarupi, Guru Tanyara, Moria, 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 Re, Moria, 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 Re, Moria, Moria, Re, Moria, 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 Re, Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangalamurti Moria, Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangalamurti Moria, Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangalamurti Moria. It was the fasting from his previous life, his breath, and in certain breath we are told that we should stay away from certain things, and in this life also too we should stay away from, the scriptures say that we are stay away from certain foods. Bhaya Dennis was asking me today about why it is that we should not offer baigan or eat baigan. And there was once a king, and that king had an Ashwamedh Yajna. So some people observe it, some people do not observe it, but you will see most pundits, they would not eat baigan, most of them. And there is many kathas because of that. The king had he had a yajna, and the pundits told that of the king is that in order for your yajna to be successful, you must appease all your visitors. That's a hard thing to do. When your visitors come to your home, and to appease them, make sure anything that they ask for, make sure that they are very pleased. So the king said that is an easy thing. I have everything here, but he was placed on his back foot when it is that an individual came, and that individual, he asked for something. You know what he asked for? He asked for mans. What is mans? Mans is meat. You doing a yajna and somebody come and ask for meat. What you were saying? You doing a yajna and somebody asks for something like that. I wouldn't repeat it again. What you gonna say? What you gonna say? So he said, and he remembered what the Baba told him. You have to appease everyone, or else this yajna will not be successful. And so he went and he took a baigan. This is from the Bhagavad, one of the Puranas. He took that baigan now and he carried it to that of the sages. They were very, very skilled at that time. And so he said, I do not have nothing of that type of bhojan, but I want you to transform this into something for me, what they requested, because I need this yet. Now, I'm not telling you to do that. Anybody here, I'm not telling, there's a different time, but this is one of the reasons why. And so it is, he took that bygone, the sages took the bygone now, said up prayers now, and it became mans. Mans means what? Me. And they were able to to partake, and so his yajna became successful. If you watch inside the bygone, ask me a little bit about it, and I say I will explain it. For those who also do, but I know that it is a cuisine for each and every one of us. And there are other forbidden foods also too. But one of the most prohibited food is the meat from the cow. That must never be used. And the meat from also, I will say it tonight, and I hope I'm not going to offend anyone. The meat of the suar. That is what? I wouldn't. Alright, all is saying it, not me. You must not eat that. There are certain things you must not eat it. And so it is. When I was learning Pandita, the first thing the Pandit said, Baba, you need, as a young Pandit, going by people home, say your Gayatri mantra many times as possible. For in some individuals, they eat those type of bhojan. And so it is, it can bring sin. And this is why you have to know also too, you must not eat. And I know no one here eat those type of cuisine. And so it is, because of his fasting, because of his dedication to that of Bhagwan Sri Ganesh, and because of that of his offering to that in the form of the durva grass, it was like a nectar to that of Bhagwan Sri Ganesh. Our diet is very, very important, but the diet also too of the mind also too. Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Sri Krishna Sharanam, Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Sri Krishna Sharanam. Moria, 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 Hare. 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 Ganapati Bappa Moria, Mangalamurti Moria. 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 And for that reason, those who offer Bhagwan Sri Ganesh in his beautiful forms, the durva grass, especially on his Chaturthi on the fourth lunar day, on a Wednesday also too, not only on a Wednesday also too, but actually what I was saying last night is when the Chaturthi falls on what again? Who is saying it? When it falls on a Tuesday also too, Angarak Chaturthi, that also is a very, very uplifting time for Bhagwan Sri Ganesh. Also, every day we can pray to Balaji. Hari Om. Let's close our eyes, bow our heads. For these 3 nights we have come, Jerry. अष्टविनायक गौतदेवा जय गणेश जय गणेश। विनायक वंशुकदेवाय जय गणेश अष्टविनायक वंशुकदेवाय प्रथमनमो गिरिकासुतं गणपति प्रथमनमो Ganapati Bappa, Mangalamurti. Next year I will sing the rest of the song for you. You can sing it for me, yes, if you know it. Oh, any other members? But I heard this song sung, I think you sang it in this, not you? Next temple? Alright, no problem. Next. So, Prathama Namo Girija Sutta Ganapati. We pray to Bhagwan Sri Ganesh firstly. Prata Samay Uta Jago. We get up early in the morning time and we worship Sri Ganesh, Tiharo Tiharo, and he is the one who destroys all our obstacles. May Bhagwan Sri Ganesh bless each and every one of you in a very special way. Whatever your pursuits also do, may it be successful. And so tomorrow we will have the Visarjan. The Visarjan is carrying this Murat. We are not throwing, as some people would say from time to time, throwing the Ganapati into, we are submerging all our negativities. At the end of all of this, Ganapati Baba will still prevail. May he continue to bless you. If you want Vidyarti, Labate, Vidyam, if you want knowledge, you will get knowledge. Dhanarati, Labate, Dhanam. If you want wealth, you will get wealth. Putrarati, Labate, Putran. If you want children, you will get children. Moksharati, Labate, Gatam. If you want moksha, salvation, you will get that by praying to Ganesh Baba. He is the first. Hari Om. Let's bow our heads, close our eyes. Bhagwan bless each and every one of you devotees. Vigneshwaraya Varanaya Suratrayaya Lamboranaya Sakalaya Jagatrataya Nagananaya Srutiyagya Vibhushitaya Gauri Sutaya Ganinata Namo Namaste. The orange sindoor represents that of when they were men in the head of Bhagwan Sri Ganesh, the Gaj or the elephant head, they used that sindoor also too. It represents also the blood that were flowing also too. That sindoor, similarly to the Hanuman that they used when he burst his chest to show where Sita, Sri Ram as well as Lakshman was, that sindoor is a very, very important. Make sure tomorrow to offer a little bit of the sindoor to Bhagwan Sri Ganesh. Make sure and offer your laddu also too. But make sure and offer your durva grass or dub grass. Ek baar. Bolo Sri Ganesh Bhagwan ki, Ganapati Bappa, Mangalamurti. I introduce at this time to give a vote of thanks Dharampatni of Param Videsh, Anita, Shri Anita ji. Give her a round of applause.
Namaste, Sitaram. Warm and pleasant welcome once again to our village Utsav celebrations here at the original Vishwanath Hindu Mandir. I have the pleasure tonight to express our sincerest gratitude and heartfelt thanks to the amazing people who have made this event spectacular. Our success the past 3 nights could only be possible by the grace and blessings of Ganapati Baba. We give thanks and praise to Bhagwan for allowing us to worship Him with love and steadfast devotion during this most auspicious time. To our Reverend Vyasji, Pandit Vinesh Maharaj, we thank you for your love and support for our mandir, for your empowering and enlightening discourse forces and for taking us on this wonderful spiritual journey over the past 3 nights. Our very own Pandit Videsh Maharaj, thank you for your continuous hard work and care and invested in this mandir and its members. These 3 nights could not be complete without Prasad and Bojan. A heartfelt thank you to our fabulous hard-working kitchen crew. To each and every one of you who worked tirelessly in the preparation of meals as well as Prasad, may Bhagwan continue to bless you and give you the strength to continue your amazing work. Puja could definitely not be performed successfully without the proper preparation, from cutting of the bamboo to gathering of leaves and flowers to ensure that Panditji had everything at his disposal to commence daily puja every evening. A special thank you to those individuals for accepting this responsibility and executing it to the best way possible. To our members who made sure that the mandir was cleaned and ready for service before and after, thank you. To our little photographer, thank you. To those who helped with transport to our venue tomorrow, thank you. To our Kirtan group, night after night, thank you for gracing us with your melodious voices and filling the air with soulful and mesmerizing music. Mr. Durga and his team for their hard work in adding extra beauty to our mandir. To all our well-wishers that donated in cash or kind, your generosity is appreciated in ways we cannot express. Uncle Dennis, Auntie Leela, Nani, Auntie Sati, for working so diligently in ensuring our yajna was nothing short of perfection. To our beautiful attendees, for the past 3 nights, both physically present and to those who are viewing us via our online platform, thank you for accepting our invitation and sharing your time with us. We truly appreciate each and every one of you. Over time, saying thank you becomes a difficult task, simply because those words can no longer express the immense gratitude we feel towards the ones who repeatedly give us more than we can ever repay. As I end, please remember that we'll be going to Manzanilla Beach tomorrow for a Visarjan. It will be an absolute joy to see each and every one of you and your families. As we end Pandit Videsh, we'll give you more details on tomorrow's proceedings. Sitaram and Bhagwan's blessings for a safe journey back to your home.
Give her a round of applause. She's very, very quiet, but she is very, very eloquent also. So give her a round of applause once more. And now I introduce Pandit Videsh. Give them a round of applause too. For doing a very beautiful job in Mandir. Yeah.
Vedyasri, Pandit Videsh Maharaj, our Brahman Devatas, dear devotees, Sitaram. Sitaram. So let's say that 10 times before I get a response. It is very few times that I'm at loss for words. Many who know me, when we come here and we sit in satsang, when we sit and meet, we meet with the members of the mandir. I'm always the one probably to talk the most. But these past few nights have given me great joy, ecstatic. Not only from the beautiful katha from Babaji, but as expressed in the vote of thanks, the contribution from each and every one. And I say it, and I continue to say it, from the person who opens the door, takes out the garbage, takes a chair and moves it from there to there, cooks the food, prepares everything. Each and every one is very important. And having covered everything in that vote of thanks, there's nothing much for me to say. But still, my tremendous gratitude to each and every one, the members of the mandir, the devotees who have taken their time and effort to come to join with us. The devotion, congregational worship, it is something that is very important. The strength, the shakti, the vibes as we call it, right? You feel that when you're in mandir, and we have felt that for the past 3 nights. Our sincere appreciation and thanks to each and every one. Tomorrow we journey to Manzanilla Beach for the Visarjan. We gather here at 7 a.m. If you could come earlier, we will do Hawan, right? Perform Hawan, so you can join with us. And we venture into the Manzanilla Beach, which is about 1.5 miles after the Manzanilla Resort. For those of you all who know the first cutaway, right? I don't know, I'm too young for that, right? So the first cutaway, so I've been told, after you pass that, there's no stretch of any houses. By the time you meet the first set of house, there's a 3-story building. No, that's not the one we're going to. The one right next to it is a flat house. There's a beautiful sign done by Durga and Devi and his family, Vishwanath Hindu Temple, Ganesh Utsav. I would have posted it. Sorry, the admins of the Facebook page would have posted it today. The signs. And you look out for the yellow bus, for those who know Durga's bus. Right? So if you are not able to join us as we went there, if you're at 7 a.m., you can join us there. You walk with your offerings, you can walk with your prasad, walk with your coconut, walk with your dar. We will have doop grass, we'll have flowers, we'll have sindu, we'll have hardi. If it is that you do not have that, we have that available. Most importantly, you walk with love and devotion. This is all we need from you all. Right? We join there, we have meals prepared for each and everyone, prasad as well too, and we ask that you spend the morning time, you spend the day with us tomorrow there. Sitaram.
Yes, thank you very much, Panditji, and for having me for these 3 nights. Nani, as well as her daughter also too. I spoke to her this evening, and to the wonderful members here. God bless you all, and may you have many more nights like these. Ek baar bolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki. I pass over to the group at this time. We have a few bhajans, and we'll have the moment. stand at this time as we have the Purnahuti. Purnahuti means may everything be complete. Hari Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnam Mudakshate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vishishyate Om Sarvam Vai Purnam Gam Swaha. For water on the fire. Sarvapap Param Dityam Gangiram Nalmanandaram Achmum Grahana Devesham Grahana Parameshwaraha. Everybody stretch your hands out a little bit and take the blessing from the yajna. Vanaspate rasora bhuto gandhyana ganda otamaha agreha sarva devanam dhupoyam patigrahatam.
जय गणनाया श्री गणनाया जय गणनाया श्री गणनाया Moria Re, Papa Moria Re, Moria Re, Papa Moria
Ganapati Bapa, Mangal Murti. God bless you all devotees. Remember, tomorrow we will have the Visarjan. Close our eyes. We pray. For this full 10 days, 11 days, you have been devoted to Ganapati Baba. He goes nowhere after the Visarjan, but he's still in our heart and our mind. Bhagwan bless all of you. Bless this yajna. Bless this mandir, all the members. Hari Om. Mantrahinam kriyahinam Vartahinam janardanam Yat pujatam maya deva Paripuranam tarastu me Tvameva mata Shapita Tvameva Tvameva bhanno ishtasya Tvameva Tvameva sarvam mama deva deva. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. माँ प्रतिमा रेव की, आदि शक्ति नौ दुर्गा माता की, गणेश भगवान की, सत्य सनातन धर्म की. And so, before I close off, I would like to acknowledge that of the president of the Narayan Madhuban. Yeah, Vishamji and his Dharmpatni Dulahin, and to each of the members of the other temples in the vicinity, in our Grandi and wherever. May Bhagwan bless you all for coming. Ganapati Bapa, Mangal Murti, Ganapati Bapa, Mangal Murti, Moria. God bless you all devotees. Let us have our seats comfortably. Prasad will be shared in a while, as well as Arti in Panchan, as well as Bhojan. Do partake. God bless you all devotees. I hand you over.
Please be advised that Farsan and Bhojan will be served to you right where you are.
चल रे मन चल रे मन तू देखो शिरडी साई अवतार सत्य साई अवतार देखो शिरडी साई अवतार सत्य साई अवतार परति साई अवतार प्रेम साई अवतार परति साई अवतार प्रेम साई अवतार ओ शिरडी साई परति साई प्रेम साई अवतार हे शिरडी साई परति साई प्रेम साई अवतार चल रे मन चल रे मन चल रे मन तो प्रशांति मिलया फुल का भक्ति दूत चल रे मन चल रे मन चल रे मन देखो शिरडी साई अवतार सत्य साई अवतार देखो शिरडी साई अवतार सत्य साई अवतार परति साई अवतार प्रेम साई अवतार देखो शिरडी साई अवतार सत्य साई अवतार परति साई अवतार प्रेम साई अवतार ओ शिरडी साई परति साई प्रेम साई अवतार ओ शिरडी साई परति साई प्रेम साई अवतार